Hi, Dad. I just wanted to show you how to schedule a meeting. So when you're in your Zoom account, you just press on Schedule a Meeting, and you can put in your topic. So, see, you can put in church meeting, let's just say. And you want to do it on Friday at 9:30 a.m. And then you want it to be an hour long, and you don't want it to be a recurring meeting. The time zone, you can just keep it the same. Meeting ID says generate automatically. Waiting room, if you want to host, then if you want the waiting room to be there, then you keep that checked. And usually I just keep everything as it is and I press save. So after you press save, then this comes up. And this right here says copy invitation. So what you do is you copy it and you just press copy meeting invitation. So now this is copied. So then you go to your email. So here's the email that I'm just about to send to you. And let's say I'm going to say, instead of this, I'm going to say, hey, Dad, please join me for a church meeting on Friday. And then I just paste that invitation. And then when it sends, this right here is the link. So this is all they need. They just press the link. And when they press on the link, it'll lead them into your waiting room and they will be able to get into your meeting. So I hope that was helpful. Let me recap. So what you do is once you have scheduled a meeting, you really only need to worry about the title and the date and the time. Then you can just scroll down and press save. And once you save it, then this comes up and you press on the copy invitation. And then once that little box comes up, you press save and it says save to clipboard. Then you just email what you can paste into the email as the invitation. And that's how you set up a meeting. So hopefully this has been helpful. And if not, I will show you in person anytime this week. All right, love you. Bye.